What we've gathered so far is that there was a letter by Air India Union employees sent to Tata Sons chairman on 26th April. So let me be very clear that it's a dated letter. But since that letter was sent with the intention of voicing concerns at Air India Express, especially with the employees, it helps us understand as to what could be the possible reasons of this event that has happened during the day of flight cancellations and cabin crew going on sick leave on Masai. Now, from the letter, which is dated 26th April, we know that the union has voiced its growing unrest and dissatisfaction among the employees. Top four things that have been highlighted. There are like 7 or 8 things highlighted in terms of concerns, but top 4 things that we are understanding is that the Air India Express employees were not happy about the terminations that were taking place at the organization. In the union letter, it has been alleged that despite assurances from Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, terminations happened at the organizations. People were forced to leave it despite being fully equipped and well versed with their training and all other metrics in place. The next, they have expressed the concerns in terms of hiring. They have alleged that people have been brought in from the outside at relatively lower pay with less qualifications as well, when the inside staff or the in-house talent pool of Air India Express was well equipped to handle the operations at Air India Express. The third concern that have been raised are the remuneration concerns. So the letter has alleged that all the important components like HRA, TA, DA and etc. have been removed from the revised employment contracts, which is not that great a compensation benefit to the employees. And the fourth thing that has been raised is the improper implementation of standard operating procedures. Now the letter alleges that even when the SOPs were rolled out, they were not being implemented properly, and there was a lot of mismanagement overall happening at Air India Express. So while the letter is old, it is dated, it does give us a sense of what might have gone wrong as to why the cabin crew and some other staff has gone on sick leave. That's a basic sense that we are getting, but we're yet to get more latest updates, and we'll come back to you.